Hey Valley Middle School, welcome back to another math video. Tonight we're going to be working on writing algebraic expressions. Let's start off with our trivia question today. Who are these people? It's one of my favorite TV shows. I'll give you the answer to who they are when we're done with the video tonight. All right, officially tonight our target is I can write a sentence or phrase as an algebraic expression. Let's do this thing. I'm 17 years older than arch enemy number 1, Mrs. Crothers. That's arch enemy number 1 this week. It could change and frequently does. I'll let you know if you're on the list. Write an algebraic expression for this situation using the variable c for Mrs. Crothers' age. So I want you to think about this as an expression, as a formula to find my age. Well, if you know what Crothers' age is, you could just say that whatever Crothers' age is plus 17 would be my age. This here is an algebraic expression. There's not an equal sign, but more of an expression. Mrs. Crothers plus 17 years is me. I could be her dad. That's why she calls me Grandpa or Mr. Dadley. She's such a verbal bully. All right, here are must-know words. Algebraic expression is the word tonight. We've talked about it a number of different times. It is a combination of symbols and numbers that are grouped together that show the value of something. There are no equal signs. This is 2n plus 1. This is 2 times a number plus 1. This would be a number plus 6. Do you notice how I'm taking the variable out and I'm putting in a number? Because it makes so much more sense to me. 3 times n or 3n, that doesn't mean much to me, but 3 times a number? Now I got it. A number minus 6 or a number decreased by 6. This would be 3 times a number decreased by 1. Now you're starting to get the hang of it. Let's take a look at a couple just real simple ones here, right out of the old math book. Here's an expression, write an expression for $5 more than Jennifer earned. And often they'll give you the variable too. They said, let D represent the number of dollars Jennifer earned. So here's the dollars Jennifer earned plus 5 more. So dollars plus 5. Try this one yourself. 3 more runs than the Pirates scored. Well, let's use P for Pirates. Here's the Pirates runs plus 3 more. Okay, let's keep rolling here. Let's try a couple more. Words or phrases are often used in these problems, and here's just a couple of those key words. For addition and subtraction, we got sum, more than, increased by, in all. Here's your subtraction words. Difference, less than, less, decreased by. Multiplication words, each, product, multiplied, and twice. And division words, divide, quotient, per, and separate. Quotient is a really important one. Each, twice, difference, sum. These are some of the ones that kids struggle with. So keep those in mind. So let's try a couple of these here. A number increased by 3. Well, here's the number, and we increased it by 3. That means we're adding 3 to it. A number decreased by 12. Well, you can probably guess it. Here's the number, and decreased by 12. Twice a number divided by 3. Well, here's twice a number, and we're dividing it by 3. Now, we could put that 2 in with a fraction bar in 3 as well. It's another way to write it. The product of a number and 3. Product means multiplied up here. The product of a number and 3. So that's 3 times n. Most math people would write that as 3n. All right, we've worked through a number of these. Let's have you try a couple on your own here. Try these ones here. 2 times a number, 10 times a number, 1 more than 10 times a number, 3 less than 2 times a number. Pause it and try these 4. All right, let's see how you did. Well, 2 times a number is 2 times n. Math people would write 2n. 10 times a number, they'd write 10x or 10n, whatever variable you choose. 1 more than 10 times a number. So this would be 10x plus 1, or 10n plus 1. And 3 less than 2 times the number. Well, here's the 2 times the number, and here's that 3 less. Now, the order's a little quirky on that one, but it's 3 less than 2 times the number. So we have to start off with this 2 times the number first. Okay, let's try 4 more. And then we'll get to the yeah buts. So we have twice the number b, Tara's money plus 5. My weekly salary, S, decreased by 50, and the quotient of a number and 3. Try those. See how you did. Twice number B, 2B. Tara's money plus 5. Here's Tara's money plus 5, or increased by 5. Weekly salary, S, decreased by 50. There's the old S minus 50. The quotient of a number and 3. Here's N divided by 3. Here's where you probably see it written in my room. N divided by 3. I'm trying to train you that these two things here are exactly the same. All right, here's the yeah, but. Yeah, but 4 times a number increased by 2 is 4n plus 2. 4 times the sum of a number and 2 is going to have a set of parentheses in here. We have to do the sum of the number first. So we're taking 4 times the sum of a number and 2. And you're going to see me do that all the time. You see me do like this in class, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, when you hear the word sum or difference, there's usually a set of parentheses in there. We'll see if you can do one. These two right here. 3 times a number decreased by 2. 3 times the difference between a number and 2. All right, see if you got them. How'd you do? There, I knew you could. Alrighty, well, that's it for today. Let's get to our ticket to the show questions here. I can make this probably a little bit bigger. 3 times the number decreased by 4 is your first one. I would like you to write an algebraic expression for. The next one is Jen read 3 pages more than Bill. Let B equal the number of pages Bill read. Write a phrase to show the number of pages Jen read. Alrighty, see how you did on the old trivia question. This is Hawaii Five-0, one of my favorite TV shows. I really like these guys. Dano was was always my favorite. This was a show that was remade. It was on in the 70s when I was a kid, and that's why a lot of my family members still call me Dano. So, a little trivia about me and the show. Thanks. Have a good day.